Okay, let's do unbox for this Mi car charger. It's supposed to be a smart charger. Okay, the box is like this. Okay, it looks pretty neat. Okay, it's from metal aluminum, I think, alloy. So the reason I choose this because this is claimed to be a very smart and very well quality, very well. So of course it's made in China, no doubt about that. And what else? It's just a small book which is I don't understand. Okay, everything in Chinese. Oh, there's the English. There you go. Okay, that's about it for the quick unboxing for the Mi car charger. It's a very nice quality, I think. It's very heavy. Hopefully what is stated on the website, there's a smart and the charging. I use this for the dashcam. I want to know if this car charger can sustain my dashcam throughput, the voltage and ampere evenly and will not causing any issue. So I think that's about it. Let's put it back.